Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, we are going to see how to solve the fifth question in exercise 1.1. List all the elements of the following sets. So the sets are here given in set builder notation. We are going to convert each of these sets into roster form. Okay, so let's look at the first subdivision there. It says set A has x is an odd natural number. So I'm going to list A is equal to, it is an odd number and natural number. So our natural number starts from 1. So 1, 3, 5, 7 and it keeps going. It is an infinite set. So to indicate it is an infinite set, we just put dot dot dots. Okay. So now let's look at the second subdivision here. B, x is an integer between minus 1 by 2 less than x less than 9 by 2. So you need to understand integer is a whole number and it could be both positive and negative. So B is going to be equal to, since minus 1 by 2 is less than x, I cannot include even minus 1. So the set starts with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if you look at 9 by 2, it is 4.5. So, I cannot go beyond this. So, the element is going to be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now, let's look at the third set in this question. C is equal to, x is an integer, x squared less than or equal to 4. So, x squared is less than or equal to 4 and we said that C is an integer. So here integer means both negative and positive numbers are allowed. So if you look at it, minus 2 the whole square is 4. It is equal to 4. So in this case, I'm starting the integer with minus 2. So minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. So anything on both the sides beyond these integers square will be greater than 4. So they're not part of this set. Now let's look at the next subdivision here. D, X is a letter in the word loyal. So here you're going to list all the letters from the word loyal but without any duplicates. So L, O, Y, A. Already the L is there. So we are closing the set with these elements. Now let us look at the next subdivision. Set E has X such that X is a month of a year not having 31 days. So you're going to list all the months in a year without 31 days. So February does not have 31 days. Then April does not have 31 days. June does not have 31 days. September does not and November does not. All the other months in the year has 31 days, hence they are not part of this particular set E. Now let's look at the last subdivision. Set F. X is a consonant in the English alphabet which precedes K. Since it is preceding K, what is preceding K? Before K, and you have to list all the consonants except the vowels, all the other letters up till K you're going to write. A is a vowel, so it is not part of the set. B, C, D, E is a vowel, so it is skipped. F, G, H, I is a vowel, so we skip. J, preceding K, so I cannot include K. So the set stops with these elements. In the next video, we will see how to solve the sixth question in this exercise. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.